Happy 4th of July! I'm on my couch like I always am. If I'm not doing anything, I'm usually in this position. With a cat.
Womp womp.
I woke up and uploaded video and then edited video, so I got work done today. I had a very productive morning, actually. That's because Rocky was sleeping, so I could use the computer. Giving me the look. So we were supposed to go out to a friend's house and like barbecue and blow stuff up, but Rocky still got that summer cold thing, and just wasn't feeling well, and I'm kind of feeling bleh too. So we begged off, but I think I got him convinced to go see Wonder Woman later tonight. So at least we'll do something on the 4th of July besides being lazy bums around the house all day.
It'd be nice to kind of get out of the house. Oh, goodness. Oh, gracious. Oh, no.
Look, I can see your leg. There's Rocky leg for like the first time ever. And he's hiding. Aww. He's all bashful. He's like, no, don't show my leg. Not my leg.
Well, these are the squirrel underwear.
Well, as long as you don't whip it out, no one will be able to see anything.
Hey, you too. Here's my dick.
Oh, so you're saying we need to throw those away. Got it. Hi, monster. Yeah, living the glam life here. We've got holy underwear. You can donate to our Patreon so that Rocky can buy some new underwear.
These are not holy underwear. They're new underwear, but they're a little loose on the leg. That's when I said, oh, we don't want anything squirrely like coming out. Like, squirrely, by the way.
Like, they couldn't even see that. Oh, my God. But still, you can donate to our Patreon so Rocky can buy some new underwear. Oh, God.
I can't even see that.
Oh, I finally caught one of our giggle fits on video.
Yeah.
We're like this all the time, but, you know, it's an organic thing, so it's not something I can, like, just catch on video. Like, it just happens, and then I'm like, man, I wish I would have gotten that on video. I finally got it on video. We just need people to follow us around everywhere and catch all of these moments for us.
So we can cackle about my squirrel?
Yeah, donate to our Patreon. If you want to see Rocky's squirrel, donate to her. If you don't want to see Rocky's squirrel, donate to our...
If you don't subscribe to our Patreon, I'm going to whip it out right here.
You're going to get dick pics.
I don't want to be a dick about it. And now she's just lost all conscious thought. Penis. Just, you know, penis.
Oh, God, I can't breathe.
That's going to be edited.
Oh, I'm turning bright red. Oh, Lord. No.
Penis.
Oh.
Wow, it's just a word.
Are you advertising? Or you're like, hey, I got some over here. Come get it.
Alright.
Oh, should I get that on video?
Yahoo! I'm a naughty cowboy partner.
Oh my God.
Yes, as you said, this is almost an everyday thing.
It is. It's almost an everyday thing. Oh, if you can't laugh like this with your partner, you're with the wrong person. Oh. Or you just need a Rocky. I mean, donate to our Patreon.
Donate to our Patreon. You can have a Rocky make you bust out laughing.
Oh.
Be sure to flash your boobs. I mean, there's got to be a little something here, you know. Send nudes.
All right, here you go.
Patreon.
There you go. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now because we're just. This is 6 minutes of giggle fits. Oh.
Subscribe to our Patreon.
I was having a perfectly nice time marathoning my YouTubes on my couch with my kitties, all snuggled up in my blankie. How I do. And the internet went down. I had a video uploading because I got up and worked this morning and did things. I had a video uploading and everything. And our internet went down. Motherfuckers. The internet went down. What am I to do? That's like not having electricity. It's horrible. So, Rocky's laughing at me because I'm throwing such a fit over the internet.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, I'm naked right now. Ha ha! I'm naked. You can't see nothing. Na 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 boo boo. If you go to my Patreon, you can though. Ha. So we were gonna be too lazy to go see Wonder Woman tonight because we were both really not feeling good, and that required getting up and putting clothes on and getting dressed. But now we don't have internet. So now we have to get out of the house to find something to do. So we're going to go see Wonder Woman. In the meantime, I've got the first collection DVD of the original Addams Family playing. So I can have some background noise and stuff because I can't stand quiet. And it's Addams Family. And it's officially my birthday month. Hence the extra brattiness. So you're going to get lots of extra bratty. So, happy birthday to me! It's been a shit week so far! Woo!
Brat!
We're gonna have to do something extra special. As soon as we find out that the car isn't going to take our entire savings to fix, we're gonna do something special. And I
drop that damn thing off tomorrow morning. And I'm hoping there's just something that's, oh, you just need to replace an O2 sensor yet again. And if that's the case, score. Because that shouldn't, drain our savings of anything, practically. So,
yeah.
I'm just hoping it's a faulty O2 sensor.
I don't know.
That would be nice.
All I know is that the engine's not firing correctly. It's not safe to drive. I live in the ghetto. I'm terrified. I'm going to get stranded on the side of the road in the ghetto, in my own neighborhood. And some crazy shenanigans is going to happen. That honestly is more terrifying to me than any horror movie or anything else. Just someone trying to take advantage of the poor little girl in the broken down car on the side of the road in a bad neighborhood. That legit is a major fear of mine. And so, yeah. But, yeah, so I'm going to put clothes on, much to all y'all's chagrin. I'm a lot more unfiltered than I have ever been on my YouTube channel. I'm not doing little cue cards on my videos because that takes extra time and I don't have it. I'm only doing very loose edits on all my videos because that takes a lot of time and I don't have it. And so these were the compromises I did for myself to make videos again on a regular basis. I'm also not editing who I am as a person, as my personality. I'm a lot more out there than I've ever really shown on my YouTube channel because I was trying to be a little bit more mainstream. And you know what? It made me not want to make videos because I was censoring myself so much I didn't want to make videos. So fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck it.
Fuck.
YouTube ain't paying.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Noise.
Hold on. I gotta get this on camera.
Oh, am I going on right now?
Yes.
Fuck. Motherfuck. Noise.
Okay. So YouTube ain't paying my bills.
YouTube, you need a dick.
They ain't paying my bills.
Need a dick.
If they'd like to pay my bills, maybe one day I'll rein it in a little bit, but
Dicks. Buffet of dicks.
But until that day happens, not gonna happen.
Right on.
They're welcome to pay my bills, but you know, I'm 35 years old as of midnight and 4 hours. I'll be 35 years old. If I want to be dancing around in my living room naked, filming this shit for YouTube, holla, I'm going to. Hey, you can see my back in the mirror. Oh God, I wonder how much of my titties you could see in the mirror. Ooh, I'm gonna have to edit this real good.
You're gonna have to make sure that no nippy nips happening in the YouTube. Otherwise,
Secret Nipple Society, woo! Or you know, I could be really out there and be like, free the nip, which I totally think that we should free the nip. I think that women should be, if men are allowed to walk around with their big, hairy pepperoni nipples
I don't want pizza.
up in everybody's faces, y'all, then my beautiful, pink, little, they're not little, I don't know what to call them, butter starfish.
What?
I don't know.
Wait a minute.
This got weird. I'm on that weird part of YouTube again.
Gonna run that weird part of YouTube.
I'm gonna go. I need to finish getting dressed. Make the movie time. We're gonna go see Wonder Woman. Woo! Yeah.
You know, the reason why we're going to see Wonder Woman tonight is, as she said, we were being lazy. Neither one of us feel good. I'm still sick, but we have no internet. We don't have internet.
Yeah, the internet company said that there's an outage in my area, which means probably one of the idiots in my neighborhood blew up something that blew up the internet in our neighborhood. I bet you that's what happened. I bet you.
I have no, absolutely.
Because there's been bombs and explosions and stuff blowing up all day long. I bet you they blew up something that shut the internet down. All right, I seriously need to put some clothes on. I hate wearing clothes.
That shit's the bomb, yo.
I mean, I love fashion and I love styling, but I don't like wearing it. Like, I love makeup, but I don't like wearing it. All right, I need to go. Bye.
Over there, too. Damn. Oh, yeah, we probably got it.
Back over there. Oh, wait, there's more over there. That's crazy.
Oh.
Right, there's one.
There's one. Holy crap.
It sounds like a war zone. Oh my god. Hey!
America!
Huh? You taking pictures? Oh, I'm taking video.
taking video of it.
You want to be in the video?
Yeah. So y'all can remember me.
There you go. This is crazy.
Oh, there it goes. It's flying all over the place now, huh? There you go.
I like how fireworks are supposed to be illegal in the city. See what's going on over here?
Yeah.
Oh, holy cow. Can we miss it?
Not yet. Well, let me
Are there...
I see the charges in the trees.
Woo!
Yes.
This is insane.
Nuts, isn't it? Our neighbors are flying. Oh, let's get back over here now. Woo!
No, wait. I wonder if they're having a battle of who has the most booms. This is crazy. Shorts are so short. This is insane.
America.
Oh my god. Party like a Southside party! My god! It's still going! Still going.
It's probably gonna go for that long as they have fireworks handy.
Oh my god. Alright. Well,
Crazy shit.
crazy. This is our first 4th of July at home. Usually we're not at home. And holy cow, every house on this block has spent good money on some fireworks. And now they've been blowing up stuff for the last week, but tonight it's insane.
It's a war zone out there.
Yeah. It's
insane.
I love it.
All right. I love my neighborhood. Like, I love my house. I love my neighborhood. I love my ghetto. I do. I love my ghetto. All right. We're gonna go catch a movie. We're gonna go see Wonder Woman.
I ain't spinning around.
Yeah, Rocky's still really, really sick and kind of under the weather, so hence why we're seeing a movie and why we stayed home today, so that he could rest and relax and all of that. So, yeah. We just got in from Wonder Woman and then milkshakes at Steak and Shake. Yes, I'm already naked. I've only been home like 5 minutes, and the first thing I did was take my clothes off. I wanted to be comfy. It's my thing. It's what I do. Y'all do it too. You know you do. I'm not putting on clothes just to film. I've got a blankie covering the titties this time. So Steak and Shake, I literally had the worst service I've ever had at a Steak and Shake. The worst service. However, I still had a good time because I gave no fucks. But literally the worst service I ever had. So we ordered 2 milkshakes and a plate of fries. And I hear the server tell the cook or whoever's working, our shake order, because the servers don't usually make the shakes. The kitchen staff are supposed to do that. But but the shakes are a pain in the ass to make at Steak and Shake because they make them with real ice cream. And they're a pain to make, but that's why they're so delicious. So I overhear the server saying, "Hey, I need you to make this milkshake." And she's like, "Okay, which ones?" And then he tells her the fudge brownie, which is the one I ordered. She's like, "Man, I hate making that shake. It's a pain in the butt." And I was like, I sitting like maybe 10 feet away. And I was like, "Well, it's my freaking birthday. And that's the shake I want." And she started laughing. But then she ruined my freaking shake. She ruined my shake, because the whole reason why you order the fudge brownie shake at Steak and Shake, so you get those chunky, delicious brownie bits to chew on in your shake. So it's kind of like having a chocolate fudge brownie and ice cream at the same time, all in a delicious little mixed up concoction. She stuck the whole shake in the blender with the fudge brownies, so it blended the brownie into the shake, which ruins the whole freaking purpose of ordering the fudge brownie shake. Because at that point, it's just a chocolate fudge shake. Not a chocolate fudge brownie shake. Where's my brownie in my shake? I want my brownie in my shake. And then, this little boy of a server.
Man!
Oh my god. So then, he comes up to us, and I don't even remember what he said. He said something saucy. And I was like, "Oh, you're so sweet and innocent." And I was like, "I bet you don't even know what burlesque is." And he's like,
Sure enough.
He's like, "Yeah, like the movie with Cher in it." And I face palmed hard. I was like, "No, honey, no, not like that movie at all." Which, that's a good movie. Don't get me wrong, but real burlesque is. Everybody's gonna hate me for saying this. I'm gonna piss off so many people. Real burlesque is more like the Showgirls movie than the burlesque movie. They're gonna hate me. Oh my god, they're gonna hate me. But it's, in my opinion, it's more like the Showgirls movie. Which I actually like that movie. I don't understand why everybody hates that movie. I actually like that movie. I don't get the hate on that movie. Anyways. And so he had to look it up on his smartphone. I was like, "You have a smartphone? You Google that shit." He didn't even know what burlesque was. And then he's like, and Rocky's like, "Oh no, you shouldn't show him that." And I'm like, "He's 18. And then he's like, "He's over 18. He's like, "How do you know? I just turned 18 a few days ago." I was like, "Because you're working the overnight shift at Steak and Shake, and you have to be over 18 to work the overnight shift." Like, intelligence?
Not really.
Yeah. So then the whole rest of the night he's like, I'm a man. Look at me being a man." I'm like, "Man, can I get my order of fries that I ordered 45 minutes ago?" Yeah. Worst service ever. It was hilarious. We had fun. Worst service ever. In fact, it was so bad, there were about 3 tables that walked out that never got their food. Or they like complained and then finally got their food, took 2 bites of their food, and then walked out and didn't even like pay their bill or anything. Like they just walked out. So bad. Now granted, it's the 4th of July going into the 5th of July. Those people don't want to be working tonight. They're not getting holiday pay. They give no fucks, which is why, like, I was chill and cool about it because I knew. But at the same token, have a little pride in your job. Like, if you hate it that much, don't work there. Call in sick. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, it was pretty bad. It was like the worst service ever. And then this little slip of a boy's like, I'm a man. I'm like, oh, honey, in 6 long nights and 7 days, I can make you a man. And he's like, what do you mean? And I'm like, yeah, you really are not a man. You haven't even seen Rocky Horror. You've got some shit to learn. So, and I was like, you're just so innocent and naive. He's like, no, I'm not. I'm like, oh, honey. Oh, honey. Oh, honey, I would break you so fast, and then you'd beg for more. Do like the innocent ones. They're fun to corrupt. Yeah. All right, I'm going to go. Oh, the fuck you didn't.
What?
Oh, well, I got to tell Rocky something here off camera because that I can't publicize. But anyways, I had a good birthday. Wonder Woman was awesome. I was cheering for her to beat the shit out of people. I was like, fuck yeah! Oh yeah! And like I'm one of those people, I'm really critical of action movies because I can't stand action for the sake of action. Like, if there's not a reason in the plot for this action to be taking place, Captain America and Civil War, like the airport scene, please. Lamest, like, plot hole line for action ever, although the Ant-Man was awesome. Anyways, I really liked the action in it. The action made sense. It went on for a sensible amount of time. There wasn't action just for the sake of action. Mission Impossible 2 was that way. There was like, all I remember from that movie was this really, really long and boring motorcycle action scene where they're doing all these motorcycle action explosions and tricks and stuff, and it went on for like 15 minutes. And I totally remember like just checking out during that whole movie because of that. Like, yeah. But yeah, Wonder Woman was awesome. Yay! Totally go see it if you haven't saw it. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yeah. 6 long nights and 7 days can make you a man. All right, I'm gonna go.
Talk about my chest hair.
Peace. Oh yeah. So I was like, Rocky. I was like, you should show him what a real man looks like. And like, he's like, what do you mean? I was like, you should show him your chest hair. I was like, and then he walked up to the table. And Rocky's like, see, you're not a man. You don't have this, and like shows him his chest hair. And yeah, it was hilarious. So many basic people with basic personalities that just really need to get some flavor. Flav.
Oh no! Oh my god. Yeah, basically.
They just need some flavor.
Oh my god.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm ridiculous right now. I need to go. Bye.